Good morning, dear students. Today I will give the exercise from chapter 11. Light, shadow and reflection. First one is the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, dash is an energy which causes in us the sensation of vision. Light. Light. Light is an energy which causes in us the sensation of vision. And now second one, ground glass is a dash medium. Ground glass is a translucent medium. Translucent medium. Third one, dark outline formed on the dash body is called shadow, opaque. Pinhole camera is based on the principle of rectilinear propagation of light. What you will fill? Rectilinear. Rectilinear propagation of light. Dash takes place from the smooth and polished surface. Reflection. Reflection. In first one, what you will fill? Light. Second one, translucent. Third one, opaque. Fourth one, rectilinear. Fifth one, reflection. This is the exercise. Exercise in first one, light, translucent, opaque, rectilinear and reflection. Now come to the statements. Statements. Second one, statements. First, a dark patch formed by an opaque body placed in the path of light is called image. Is called the shadow. A dark patch. A dark patch formed by an opaque body placed in the path of light is called shadow. In place of image you have to write shadow. In place of image you have to write shadow. Dark patch formed by an opaque body placed in the path of light is called shadow. Second one. This is the first one. Second one. A pinhole camera can take pictures of moving objects. A pinhole camera can take pictures of stationary object. A pinhole camera take pictures of stationary objects. A pinhole camera can take pictures of stationary objects. A pinhole camera can take pictures of stationary objects. Third one, vacuum is an opaque body. Vacuum is a transparent body. Vacuum is 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 transparent body. Fourth, image formed by a pinhole camera is always larger than the object, always smaller than the object. Image formed in a pinhole camera. Image formed in a pinhole camera. Image formed in a pinhole camera is always image formed by a pinhole camera. Image formed by a image formed by a pinhole camera is always smaller than the object. Smaller than object. Moon is a luminous body in the sky. Moon is a non-luminous body in the sky. Moon is a non-luminous body in the sky. Moon is a non-luminous body in the sky. Third one, true, false. True or false? First one, glass is a transparent medium. True. Second, gold is a translucent metal. False. Image formed in a pinhole camera is always erect. False. A screen is necessary to obtain a shadow. True. Water is a natural mirror. True. Water is a natural mirror. True. And the image in pinhole camera gets more luminous when a screen is moved backward. False. First one, true. Second one, false. Third one, false. Fourth one, true. Fifth one, true. And sixth one, false. Now come to the match the statement. Match the statement. Match the following. Match the following. First one is an optical medium which has different composition at different points. This is the heterogeneous heterogeneous. First one is the heterogeneous. Heterogeneous. A body which does not allow light to pass through it, that is the opaque. Third one, the speed of light, 3 into 10 to power 8 meter per second. Fourth, the path along which light energy travels in a given direction, ray of light. Fifth, the body emitting light on its own, that is the luminous. In this, first one heterogeneous, second one opaque, third one 3 into 10 to power 8 meter per second, ray of light, luminous. So till here you will write in JSC copy.